Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again with some things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so let me get started now. First things first. I saw a video on social media that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Kahgo. And in that video, Kahgo said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about a person who goes by the name of Prettii on social media. Now, based on some things that Kahgo said in the video that I saw, and in my point of view, I think that Kahgo lost it at Prettii because of a certain type of clothing that Prettii was wearing. So it seems as if he saw the clothing viewers and subscribers and then him talk about Prettii in our video. See? Alright. My people, me next string, me no know if somebody tell Prettii about the video that shows Kahgo, or if Prettii see the video that shows Kahgo, but Prettii post a video on social media and talk about Kahgo. And based on some things that Prettii said in the video and in my words, I got the understanding that she said that him not for bring certain type of argument to her and that she can't believe that him have stomach fear. Those might not be the exact words, but me I give my understanding. Anyways, my people, for you to get a good understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present an audio to you that is from a video that I have posted on social media. Now, in this audio, you can hear Kahgo talking about Prettii. Listen and observe, my people.
Well, let me tell you something this morning. You see enough people are text about Kahgo take back your talk, Prettii say she or her mother died. I talk like I saw. All me can see when me see Prettii is a woman. When I see nothing else. Yeah. That's all me can see about this little girl. One nice woman inside her, a fighter. And if she or her mother died or not, what we can see is a woman. And me like see her in her wig and her frock. And that me I try to tell her. Sometimes we not just base everything for sex because we are run like a joke. We see the girl in our white tights and me can't so one woman in her a fighter and say so you feel look. And nobody.
Alright, my people, notice say your white tights in that audio, right? Yeah, notice you hear the person white tights. Alright, so my people, so after a video had been posted on social media where Prettii responded to Kahgo viewers and subscribers. You may say, and that's on a social media page or a social media account, however some person might call it. TikTok, you see me I say? So, me noticed that at least one more video had been posted on that same social media account or page or whatsoever that shows Prettii wearing a certain type of tight clothing. You see me asking my people? Yeah, so me I wonder if that video had been posted out of spite because of certain things that Kahgo said, or if that video had been posted to entertain Prettii fans them. You see me asking my people, so I don't know if it's say, but me just give my understanding about this whole situation. You see me I say, and here the thing again to my people, see, I don't really want to get in trouble, but based on how I see Prettii react in the video where she responded to Kahgo, I wonder if she blushed. Yeah man, I wonder if she blushed. So I say, no tell her, so I say so my people. No, I tell her, so I say that is I say, yeah man, Prettii, if you see that video, I mean no trouble, you know. You see me I say, I just wonder if I blush because of certain things that Kahgo say. Or maybe not, you know. I might be a read your face expression wrong. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic before me get myself in trouble. Now, I got information about a man who had been shot and killed within Westmoreland, Jamaica on the 20th of August, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the man who had been shot and killed goes by the first name of Ackeem. It is said that he's in his 20s viewing subscribers, and it is said that he's also called Buju. According to more information that I got viewers and subscribers, it is said that sometime before or after 9 p.m. on the 20th of August, the year 2022, Ackeem was among a group of persons at a party when men alighted from a motor vehicle and fired several shots. It is said that sometime after the shooting subsided, Ackeem was found suffering from gunshot wounds. It is said that he was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. See? Now, I'm not sure if anyone else had been injured, no viewers and subscribers, because I got some unconfirmed information about the whole situation. That shots had been fired and certain things happened apart from Ackeem being shot. You see me, as some people, but those information are unconfirmed to my point of view. You see me? But anyways, I did some research to see if I could get some form of information as to what could have caused something like this to happen, but I didn't get any confirmed information as to what could have caused something like this to happen. I didn't get any information that Ackeem was involved in any form of wrongdoings. So may I say, that's just me. I didn't get any information in that type of way. You see me? And I didn't get any confirmed information as to how unknown assailants escaped, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the police are doing their investigation, you know. Well, anyways, my people, you know, I think I'm going to leave it right here. You can let me know what you think, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a 40-year-old man who goes by the last name of Davis died on Monday, the 22nd of August, the year 2022, because of a motor vehicle accident involving a truck and a coaster bus on Bustamante Highway in Clarendon, Jamaica. According to information that I got, it is said that the coaster bus and the truck collided on Bustamante Highway. It is said that the incident happened shortly before after 5 a.m. on August 22nd, year 2022. It is said that both the bus and the truck each had at least 2 occupants in those motor vehicles, viewers and subscribers. It is said that other persons who sustained injuries were taken to hospital for medical attention or medical treatment. See? Now, my people, there are also pictures and videos posted on social media about this whole situation. And I'm just giving you information according to how I got information. Another sad day in Jamaica again, my people. Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows a man, and in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he found a baby in a bag. Now, I did some research to see if I could get more understanding about the things that the man said in the video, and I also got information pertaining to the things that the man said in the video. So I got the understanding that the man found a baby in a bag at the San Fernando General Hospital that is located within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, when it comes on to the alleged bag where it is said that the baby had been found in, viewers and subscribers, I would already check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, and you can also ask me as well, you understand? Because the information as to what type of bag not seems accurate to me. So check the comment section. But anyways, now, in my words, and based on some things that the man said in the video, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that he said that he went to the hospital because he had an appointment, and while he was entering the hospital, at one of the hallways of the hospital, he noticed a bag, and he said that the bag moved and that he heard sounds coming from the bag. The man in the video that I saw said that upon opening the bag, he realized that there was a new baby. Hey, you hear me, seven people? So in my point of view, based on the things that the man said, it seems as if he said that he raised an alarm and someone who worked at the hospital or have something to do with the hospital came and took the child. See? It's when it comes down to a situation like this, my people, I will try my best to see if I can get more information about a situation like this. See? Me I talk about a situation where an innocent child's life had been put in danger. Me I wonder who might be involved in something like this. Which parent, which mother could be involved in something like this. But me not get no confirmed information as to who might be involved in this type of situation. It's not the first time I hear about a situation like this, viewers and subscribers. Might not be the same, but somewhat similar. From hospital to church to even on the road. Garbage bin. These things are unacceptable. It's not right. You see me answer, my people? So, me listen to the things that the man said in the video. Me did my research. Got the understanding as to where the incident happened and certain things about it. But just to make you know, my people. I don't like to know what you think about a situation like that. Because, on a real, what the man had done in my point of view is saved the child's life. I never say somebody else would have find out what. No. In my point of view, I think that that man saved the child's life. So me ask my people. And whosoever done something like that, that caused the child to somehow end up in a bag, totally wrong. Totally wrong. It's not right. See? So, me get information that the necessary authorities are doing the investigation pertaining to this situation, the people. You understand? And yes, I'm going to So, let me know what you think, my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until next time, I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.